Good day, class. Today's lesson is all about principles of design. Before we start with our topic, I would like you to look at this picture. Titigang mabuti ang picture. At isipin nyo kung ano yung na-imagine nyo sa picture na yan. Some of you will tell me na bubuyog siya. Some of you will tell me na gagamba siya. Yung iba magsasabi na Pokemon siya. At ang masasabi ko lang dyan ay lahat kayo tama. Bakit po? Kasi po, sa design, walang mali. There is just good and bad design. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Sa design, imagination lang po ninyo ang limit. Kaya tayo merong tinatawag na principles of design. Meron tayong siyam. Una, balance. Pangalawa, contrast. Pangatlo, emphasis. Pang-apat, proportion. Pang-lima, pattern. 6, gradation. 7, rhythm. 8, harmony. 9, variety. Kapag sinabi po natin balance, balance is a feeling of visual equality in shape, form, value, color, etc. Emphasis po dito sa feeling. Bakit? Kasi po may mga oras or may mga instances na yung design natin, akala natin evenly balanced. Yun pala, hindi. Feeling lang natin. Kaya dito pumapasok yung tinatawag nating symmetrical or evenly balanced at asymmetrical which is unevenly balanced. Example, tingnan nyo to. Is this picture or design symmetrical or asymmetrical? If your answer is symmetrical, you are right. Tama kayo. Balancing, evenly balanced. How about this one? Symmetrical or asymmetrical? This is symmetrical. Balance, evenly balanced. How about this one? If your answer is asymmetrical, this is asymmetrical. Tama kayo. Kasi po, nagbago yung kulay ng kada element sa design. Ang balance hindi lang sa shape, hindi lang sa size, pati color. How about this one? If your answer is symmetrical, mali kayo. Bakit? Kasi po, kung hahatiin natin ito vertically lang most probably tama kayo na magiging symmetrical siya. Pero ibang usapan na kapag hinatin natin horizontally. The upper part of the butterfly will be different from the lower part of the butterfly. So, asymmetrical siya. Another one, symmetrical or asymmetrical. This is asymmetrical. Iba po yung kulay ng face ng left side tsaka ng right side examples. Sunod, obviously this is asymmetrical. Sunod, this is asymmetrical. And lastly, this is definitely asymmetrical. After that, we have contrast. The elements are opposing to one another. That's contrast. Example, big against small and light against dark. Ginagamit ang contrast para mas ma-emphasize natin yung subject ng ating design. An example of that, ito. from dark subject to light background and light subject to dark background. Another, ito pa, ito pa, yan. That's what we call contrast. Sunod, emphasis is used to make certain parts of the artwork stand out to grab your attention. The center of interest or focal point is the place a work draws your eye to first. Designer directs the eye to one part of the composition. Anong ibig sabihin po ng emphasis? Yung emphasis po, ginagamit siya para maidirekta mo yung mata ng inyong audience sa kung saan mo siya gustong patinginin. Example, merong isang bond paper. Yung bond paper napakalinis, sobrang linis ng bond paper. Pero kapag linagyan mo siya ng isang tuldok at pinatingnan mo sa iyong audience, mariridirekta yung kanyang mata doon sa tuldok na yun. Excuse me. An example of emphasis ay ang mga sumusunod. Ito. If you look at that, all the circles, yung mga circle na yan, pare-parehas yung size at kulay, except one. Yun yung una mong makikita. Katulad rin nito. Katulad rin nito. Ang una mong makikita, yung iba ang kulay. At ito pa. At ito pa. And lastly, ito. Emphasis is very important principle of design. Tandaan po ninyo yan. Sunod po, proportion. Proportion describes the size, location, or amount of one thing compared to another. Example, yan. Proportion. Example again. Ito. And this one, di ba? Even though it's not that realistic, pwede mo siyang laruin minsan. If you want to be that creative, if you want to emphasize something, if you want to convey a message that is different. Ito, this one. Another. I know some of you familiar kayo dito. Di ba? Ginagawa ito doon sa Mount Mayon, sa Cagsawa Ruins ng iba't ibang photographer. Gumagamit sila ng optical illusion para mabago yung proportion ng isang bagay at isa pang bagay. Ito pa, di ba? After that, you have pattern and rhythm. Kapag sinabi nating pattern, it is created by repeating an element, line, shape, or color over and over again. Paulit-ulit lang. Ang kabaliktaran po ng pattern ay rhythm. Rhythm naman is like a pattern. However, it has the same elements in pattern but vary in size or direction. So, tandaan po, ang pattern, paulit-ulit yan. Hindi yan nagbabago. It's a repeating element. Over and over again, kapag sinabi nating rhythm, para siyang pattern, kaya lang ang pagkakaiba is nagbabari yung kanyang size at direction. An example of this is ito, pattern tsaka rhythm. Kung mapapansin nyo po, walang pinagbago yung pattern. Wala siyang pinagbago. Paulit-ulit siya. Pero ang rhythm, iba. Yan. Nag-iiba-iba ng kulay, ng shapes, ng positioning, minsan. Yan. So, is this a pattern or rhythm? This is a pattern. How about this one? This is rhythm. How about this one? This is rhythm. How about this one? This is pattern. Next would be your gradation. Gradation comes from the root word gradual. Kapag sinabi natin gradual, it's a slow progression. Gradation of size and direction produce linear perspective. Gradation can add interest and movement to a shape. Gradation from dark to light will cause the eye to move along a shape. Look at this. This is an example of gradation from light to dark or dark to light, depending on how will you start it. Light to dark, dark to light. This one, gradation of size from big squares up to small squares. Sunod, ito pa. Yan. Light to dark. Ito pa. And next would be harmony. When we say harmony, the elements are similar in size, shade, or shape. Kapag sinabi natin harmony, walang movement, walang uniqueness, walang pagbabago sa inyong mga elements sa isang design. If you look at this one, this is an example of a design with harmony. Walang pagbabago. Ang kabaliktaran naman po ng harmony ay tinatawag nating variety. In variety, elements are different in size, color, or shape. Kung yung harmony pare-parehas sa variety, parang ganito. Yan, may pagkakaiba. Para rin ganito, at parang ganito, at parang ganito. That's it for now. Thank you very much.